Hello, you are welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you are old, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're new, if you've not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And if you've been a regular person here, just sneak in, sneak out, please subscribe so that you will get notification anytime I upload a new video. Today we're gonna deviate a little bit, and for you that is new on this channel, I make videos on how to look fabulous, look beautiful using natural products, natural ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. You know, those things you find in your kitchen, you just use them and do one or little thing on your one or two things on your skin, and boom, it makes the difference. Okay, so you can go check out some of my videos on my homemade receipts and try them out and let me know in the comment section it worked for you. All right guys, so today I am gonna try something that a friend taught me. And how am I actually taking risks? I feel I'm taking risks because it's already after 10 and I just want to try this thing and see if it's going to work for me. And if it doesn't work, what am I going to do? Like, I can't go to the supermarket. Most of the supermarkets close to my area closes very early. And wow, I can't be moving out late in the night. I'm a lady. But I have so much trust on her and I believe it's gonna work. Yeah, and what is that? How to make a slime. So she taught, I've been trying like things because I'm someone who likes learning new things. I love learning new things, and most times I hear one or two things, I research about them, learn them, try them, and then I share with people. But today I just want to try this and see if it's actually gonna work. But I have like, not 100, it's too much, 85% assurance that it's gonna work. So let's try and see if this slime is actually going to work. Okay, because I promised my niece yesterday that I'm gonna give her that as a gift tomorrow, and she's taking it somewhere. All right, so I'm really praying and believing God that this is gonna work, because all the ones I've been trying, all the ones I've been watching, none has worked for me. Quite unfortunate, but maybe others have been working, but I don't know. Just let me know on the comment section. All right, just give me one or two ideas so that I can also try. But meanwhile, let's jump right into this video and try this out. I have with me here sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of water into it. After that, I'll stir and stir and stir till the sugar dissolves inside the water. Okay guys, next I'm gonna be adding toothpaste. So next I'm gonna be adding glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix all ingredients together. OMG, this is actually going to work. I'm super excited. I'm beginning to have a little bit of doubt though, because I keep stirring and stirring and I'm not really getting anything. I hope this works. Wow, please, I don't want to be disappointed. Oh my god, please. Oh, Jesse, I hope you're actually watching this video because you gave me this receipt and told me it was going to work 100%, but here am I stranded. Oh my god, please guys, just let me know on the comment section on how to make a slime. I'll be super happy to know how to make a slime. All right, so just let me know on the comment section. Okay, meanwhile, please subscribe to my channel. As I told you earlier, I make videos on how to look fabulous naturally. I was just trying to experiment this to see how it works, but unfortunately it didn't work. Oh, okay guys, so see you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.